In this video, we are going to see how we can allow the camera and microphone access on our Facebook profile on the Android or iOS versions. So both will use the same options. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And from here, just click on the three lines. Alternatively, if you're already on the home tab, you just click on the three lines at the top left hand corner and just scroll all the way down to the section of settings and privacy. Click on that and again click on settings. From here we scroll all the way down to the your activity section and click on the device permissions, and here we just choose camera. Let's say it is set to while using, but we want to totally allow this all the time. We just click on the see info and click on the update settings, click on open device settings, and under the permissions you click on the camera access and you allow only while using the app or ask every time. You can see it, set it to whatever you want. And similarly for microphone, as you can see, it is not allowed. So you just click on that and click on allow only while using the app and just go back, and you should be able to see these settings change as soon as you move back to the device permissions just by pressing the backspace. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.